Hey drillers! In this video we're going to learn the rising sun. Your only prerequisite is the C set. Start the trick by performing a C set and then use the barrel to guide the rifle around your body. The barrel will move down and then up as it crosses from the front of your body to the back of your body. Your wrist will kind of unwind after that, and you'll raise the rifle up behind your body, keeping the rifle in your right hand. The transfer point is the most important part of this trick, and when the rifle's sling is facing the sky, you'll have both of your palms facing away from your body, behind your head, with your pinkies close, if not touching. From there, transfer the momentum of the spin into your left hand and swoop the rifle back down in front of your body. From there, you can find the original C set point, or toss it up into a full C set and continue the motion. The best way to learn this trick is to find something light like a stick and follow along with the video. Thank you for watching and happy drilling.